Hi, this is Gary with Circuit Board Medics. Today we're going to show you how to replace Allison TCMs in GM trucks equipped with Allison Transmissions. Common Allison TCM symptoms: diagnostic trouble code U0101, shifting malfunction, lack of communication with the TCM, the gear selector indicator is not displayed on the cluster. Here's the location of the Allison TCM. There will be a couple tools that will be helpful to you. Just a small flat-bladed screwdriver and a upholstery tool. You have a plastic fastener here. We're going to pry that out. Use the flat-bladed screwdriver to slide the red lock away from the latch. Push on that connector, then you can remove it. To reinstall your TCM, simply reverse the process. If you have an Allison TCM that needs to be repaired, or you need help diagnosing an Allison TCM, please give us a call at 800-547-2049 or visit our website, circuitboardmedics.com. And just a reminder, our Allison TCMs are plug and play.